Alright, hello Math 10, Mr. Beeland here with your lesson for today. We are talking about now writing the linear equations when we're given certain information. And in this case, it's when we're given a point and a slope. Okay, so to write the equation of a line passing through the point x1, y1, so any point, and given the slope, you can use something called the point-slope formula, right? So this is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, so we're going to be given m, we're going to be told the slope, and then we are going to be given y1 and x1. And then from that, we're going to try and make a formula in the form of y equals m x plus b, right? We're going to try and put it back into standard form, or into that form. Okay, so let's look at this one here. Our question gives us the point 4, 1, so we know that this point is on the line, and then that the line has a slope of 2. Okay, so we're going to use this formula up here, and I'm just going to put in the pieces, okay? So y1 in this case is 1. Slope is 2, and x1 is 4. Again, so we want to make sure to distribute and then solve for the y. So we'll rewrite this, y minus 1 equals, we're going to distribute this using our distributive property, 2x minus 8, and then we're just moving that over, y equals 2x minus 7. That's it, okay? Now if we have a look at this one, again, we have the point 2, 4, and the slope equals 1/2. So we're going to plug this all in. So y minus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 2. We're going to distribute equals x minus 1, and then we are adding that over just like that. Okay, not too bad. Okay, we're going to look at, just flip this over here. We're now going to have a look at writing the linear equations, but instead of being given the slope, we're just going to have 2 points, okay? And the trick for this one is that we're going to have to generate this slope, right? So remember, our slope formula was m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so we want to turn that into point slope form, which is the y minus y1 equals m x2 minus x1. Or we don't need the 2, but... Okay, so what does this look like? Again, I'll go through 2 examples here. So first we need to find the slope. So m equals, and again we're using rise over run, so y2 minus y1, so we've got -1 minus 7 all over 1 minus -3. So that gives us an m of -8 over, this is going to become positive, over 2, which equals this is plus that, so that should be a 4 there, which means we end up with a slope of -2. There we go. Now that we have the slope, we have 2 points that we can pick from. It doesn't really matter which one we use. I'm just going to use the first one because it's there. And we're going to plug that in. So y minus 7 equals -2 x minus -3. So then we're applying that -2 in there, and we get y minus 7 equals -2x minus 6, and then we're just adding that plus 7 to both sides, and we get y equals -2x plus 1. Okay, and then let's do this one here as well, just to make sure we have another example. So m equals, and we've got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case we get, if we put this all together, -4 plus 7 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, so we get a slope of 1/3. Remember, we wanted lowest terms. Now that we have a slope, we're going to use our point. We'll just use the first one because it's there. So we use y minus, so plus 6, sorry, plus 7, because that's that one there, equals 1/3 x plus 6. Okay, so again, we distribute this, so we get y plus 7 equals 1/3 x plus 2. Subtract 7 from both sides, and you get y equals 1/3 x minus 5. Okay, so there's two different ways that we can find or write our linear equation. One is when we're given both the point and the slope, which is the nice way, and then the not so nice way is if we're given the 2 points, because then we have to find the slope. But it's not too bad. Okay, that's it for today. Take care, everybody.